Welcome to another episode of Noah on the scooter with no hands. Look ma, no hands. Look ma, no hands. Today we are going to be we're going to be raising the front, lowering the rear. Is that Justin? Justin! And then we're going to do an alignment. No, it's S14. Thank you. And we're gonna put spacers on and we're gonna line it. And Justin, he has the fastest orange car here. Whoa, relax, buddy. Whee! Whee! These guys right here, they're smoking the ganj. Doing a quick little leak test. Looks like that's good. That's good over there. That looks good. Anything else, Justin?
I don't know where this hissing sound is coming from.
Let's go look up there. Shine your light through there. I don't see anything there. There's so much pressure back here.
Is it?
I bet you there's a snake living in his car. Oh! This guy keeps on asking me about like parts. I'm like, dude, I have no parts. Just stop talking to me, please. Nothing, huh?
It's like making. It sounds like I'm spooling.
Your oil's leaking. Alright, let's back to this thing. Noah's scared.
Dude, this is so weird, bro. Not scared. It's just weird going up on the left, on the right side instead of the left side.
Noah's scared. He's scared.
Thanks for letting me drive it, though.
Scared. Yeah. First real alignment ever since I got it from Japan, and that would be like 2 years ago. Oh, do you know what you're doing? No. Okay. This is a garage. We don't know what we're doing. So you can tell no one's here. What? So, found that out.
Well, you can drive your BMW over and hang out.
Oh man.
Lame.
Thanks to Noah. Beep. Beep. We got all this done. Look how bad it was. Like, man. But now we are good. Like, my toe was so bad. Caster, toe, camber is all fixed. So we raised the front about a ½ inch. The rears we didn't touch. Everything is fixed now. Put on the T1 SL banner. This thing looks so good. So good. I don't know what to say. It's just crazy. Yo, we out here at the Slush meet event track thing. I forgot to record, but took this out on the track. It surprisingly did well. I don't have footage because I forgot my GoPro at home. I'm gonna see if I can mount my phone somehow on that car. Yo, crash into my car! Is it good? Where are you lining up at?
It's over there.
Okay.
Hi.
Let me know when you go out, and then yeah. Have fun! Yeah. It's your turn to have fun. Want me to move my car?
Yeah,
I got you. Yep, so the 14 is out. We did a couple of grip sessions over there. I'm gonna see if I could get someone to ride along with me to record, but they said no ride-alongs for grip. Surprisingly, it did really well for what it is. The RX-7 is, like I said, was down, so I can't take that on the track yet, but we added canards in the bottom just for looks. More canards. So no real issues, but it's been really good. It's been really good. The roll cage is in, so I did a little paint match as well, and then we did the back over there, so we still have full interior. I'll be doing a quick walk around here later on, and yeah, not a bad day today. Nice and sunny. Car is doing well. Really happy today, really happy. did some drifting, changing some tires. Our third, fourth time coming to Blue. We got some new ones in here. And this is the old one. Achilles, pretty good for smoke, but that's what happens. Got some new GT radials on it. Frank over here doing some of the magic. Look at that. Probably gonna go out again later, but it's too hot. My temps were like shooting up. It's like really hot right now, so we still did good though. First shakedown with the 14, did some hot lapping, did some drifting. I hope to get the FD done so we can start doing all that stuff, but right, the motor is cooled down. Take 2.
Ready, dude.
We're racing the Subaru over here. Is that a K-Pro? Oh, Honda.
Yeah, that's just an app in my phone.
Yeah.
But it kind of sucks. I hope I don't log it this time.
Oh, okay. We're racing this guy? Uh-oh. Oh, it's those dudes. Damn, what happened?
Man, that thing's fast, dude.
Yeah, but he jumped too. For some reason the video messed up, but we are getting towed out because Patrick broke another axle. Damn it! His car is too fast. Oh, there we go.
Got some tension on the line.
How bad? Did you check it? Same
Yeah,
thing?
it's the same thing.
Fuck, dude. Well, I think that's it. Time to go home because it's hot as shit outside.
Yeah.
Take a shower. Oof.
Dude, but we fixed it and you came back and dusted them.
So, the axle is out.
Not happy.